Focus's new tip share functionality, servers, bartenders, and other staff can record exactly how much money they are giving to each staff member in tip outs. To record a tip share, select Tip Share button from the top command ribbon. This button may also be on payment screens or function screens. By default, you will see all employees that you're able to tip out. On the left, jobs will be listed that you can filter down the employee list in the middle. Select an employee you'd like to adjust, and on the right-hand side, use the number pad to enter in the tip amount you will be tipping out. Once you enter in the dollar amount, hit OK, and that tip share will be saved. Once you've done this for all employees, you can use the X in the top right-hand corner to exit out of the screen. Tip shares can be adjusted throughout your shift or the business day by a manager. Once tip shares are recorded, they will show up on the payroll report as well as the checkout report. On the checkout report, you will see both tips that you are receiving and tips that you pay out. Here, under Manual Tip Pools, we can see the employees that this person, a bartender, has paid tips out to, and the tips that they've received from other fellow servers.